Slachel Twogwalapu Si'ab. Good day to you, honorable people. Alti Slechel Sluyayus Chus Altis Chodchod Atis Oolos Chus. Today, we will be working on vocabulary for when we canoe. This week's phrase is ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd chus. ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd chus. This means we are praisingly grateful to you folks. Let's go over the words. The first word is ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd. ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd. This word means praisingly grateful to you folks. In this word, there is a glottalized K raised W, which is similar to the K raised W, the QU sound in the word queen. However, since this letter is glottalized, you hold your breath and pop the sound out. Next, there are two I's next to each other, which will elongate the E sound. E. The last non-English character is the barred L. This is made by placing the tip of the tongue behind the upper teeth and blowing air around the tongue. Let's try all of these in the word ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd. ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd. The next word is chus. Chus. This means we. This word begins with a C wedge, which is the same as the CH in English. Ch. Ch. At the end of this word, there is another barred L. Let's try both of these in the word chus. Chus. Now, let's try the whole phrase together. ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd chus. ʔəsk'վədiitubułəd chus. We are praisingly grateful to you folks. Hoi up, chus. We are finished. Hoi. Until we meet again.
Just